Success expanded everything. Money, visibility, access. Suddenly, Chad Muska wasn't just delivering skateboarding footage. He became a brand, a cultural signal, someone whose presence alone created value. You could see it in real terms. Signature shoes, major video parts, magazine covers, tours, constant media attention. His name alone could sell products, fill premieres, shift trends. And that shift is critical because success doesn't just increase opportunity. It expands the number of stakeholders involved. Sponsors wanted reach, media wanted moments, fashion wanted image, nightlife wanted presence. Each stakeholder pulled in a different direction, but structure didn't expand at the same pace. Earlier in his career, constraints were obvious. Money was limited, access had to be earned, mistakes had consequences. Those constraints acted as guardrails. Success removed them. Spending increased because income felt continuous. Visibility increased because attention never shut off. Lifestyle risk increased because the line between work, persona, and identity disappeared. You could see it during the height of his fame. Constant travel, public partying, high-profile appearances, and that expectation to always be on. This is where many projects fail. Not when resources are scarce, but when abundance masks risk. Scope expanded without resistance. Skating turned into touring. Touring turned into fashion. Fashion turned into Hollywood. Music, design, appearances. None of these risks existed alone. They stacked, compounded, and amplified each other because nothing was managing them together. None of those moves were wrong in isolation. The problem was accumulation. Unmanaged scope growth doesn't feel dangerous. It feels like momentum, and momentum is persuasive. The system rewarded output and exposure and not sustainability. No one incentivized restraint. No one was responsible for saying enough. Reputation risk increased because everything happened in public. Behavior that was once private is now being played out in front of cameras. Mistakes became amplified instead of absorbed. Cost risk increased because income was mistaken for control. Money moved quickly, but discipline lagged behind. And this wasn't recklessness. It was success without governance. Success didn't break the system immediately. It removed the consequences that previously kept it balanced. Winning didn't end the project. Winning revealed how fragile it had become.